Okay, Tony Maynard here, and I'm going to play this Webclass here on the apps program, which stands for Automated Partnership Program. So I'll just play that now for you for the moment. A few minutes of it. I'm not going to make this too long, and we'll do, I'll get back to it, and we'll go into the members area after that. Okay.
Hey guys, Ron Douglas here. Welcome to the presentation. Thank you for joining me. And thanks to everyone involved, everyone that helped organize this. This is going to be a great event. So let's switch to the presentation mode and we're going to jump right in. Let's see here if I can figure out this technology. Okay, you guys should see my screen there. And today we're going to talk about how to earn an extra 10K a month sharing recorded Zoom videos. Even if you're just getting started, you can share our recorded Zoom videos and make a ton of money like a lot of our members do. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. If you stick with me throughout this presentation, you're going to see something that you've never seen before. It's going to be a light bulb moment. It's going to open your eyes to a brand new world of how to earn money just from your laptop in your spare time. So let me turn off this webcam and then we can get started. There we go. Okay, great. Good crowd. What's up, John, Mike, Mark, David, Rolf? Cool. All the good people. All right. I like to start out my presentations with this quote. You can have everything in life you want. You just help other people get what they want. Quote by Zig Ziglar. That's what we're going to try to do here today. So you're going to discover a unique way to make an impact and earn legit money from home without a website. You don't need a website to do this, without your own product, without a big social media following. In fact, you can start from scratch and make this work. And a lot of people have done that. I'll show you in a second. Without doing customer service, without tech skills, you don't need to know any technical stuff. Everything's already set up for you. Without a big budget, you can do this starting from scratch. Without any one-on-one selling, you never have to talk to anybody one-on-one, and without working any long hours. Now, this may seem amazing. It may even seem far-fetched at this point, but by the end of this presentation, I want you to look back on this slide and you'll see that what I'm showing you here today checks every box. And I know this to be true because...
Okay, there you go. There's some an intro to the web class, and with Ron Douglas, where he's going to explain all these things here that he said. So now we'll go to the members area. I'll give you a rundown on the members area. Right here. Here we are. Hang on, we'll just let it load. There it is there. Congratulations and welcome to the Automated Profit Partners members area. So this is my members area because I'm part of this. And here's the modules. You got module 1, your module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, and tools. You see, you got your tools here. You got submit your Facebook pixel, if you know what that is, which is a pixel you get from Facebook. Sample ads you get here. Mini chat templates for the bots. Wealth Wednesday recordings. And updates, and quiz funnel requests. So you get one first quiz funnel. You have to request that, and then your webinar directory. So we'll go through it. Well, I'll show you what this entails, and I'll pull it down and see so you can see. Here's the instruction from Ron himself. Okay. And you can download a quick start guide. So here it all is here. Getting started, read the entire page. So that's what he instructs you to do from the off. Schedule your free call, so you get one of those. Training module. So yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Our automated webinar software platform. Quiz funnel setup. Bonuses. 1, 2, and 3. And, because I'm running it down, you can read it, pause it and stop it and read it in detail for yourself. So that's how it is, and you'll get some instruction from Ron here in the video. And now I'll go to module 1. So I'll show you that. We'll go. This is the web, because this is the members area. And here we are, module 1. So module 1, Profit Partners Training. Module 1, Training. So, and this is about what is it? Getting your webinar affiliate links. So you structure on everything, you see, what you have to do. Getting your webinar affiliate links and further detailed continued. Adding tracking bonuses to your affiliate links in Thrivecart, which is what you have. You can join Thrivecart. Yeah. So there's a lot here, a lot of instruction, all done by video. The art of pre-selling using free notes, and building your list without a website using an Aweber landing page. Putting it all together. So he gives you full instruction. That's module 1. We'll go back up to the top here, go to module 2. Here we are at module 2. There we go. And you've got more instruction here on module 2. Submitting your quiz funnel request, which you get one quiz funnel, so you can drive traffic to. Webinarpages.com tutorial. How to use a quiz funnel to gather email addresses. And that's a YouTube video. Another one here, how to build a quiz that grows your list and boosts sales. And Thrive Architect tutorials is also here. Of course, this is to do with we're doing it with, Thrive Architect's part of WordPress. So with that, go up to the top again, and I'll go to module 3. We'll have a look at that. Module 3. Click on it. Oh, here we go. Module 3. There we go. And there we go. Initial setup and selection. That's the first video. And you've got your Facebook, ad strategy and mindset, advanced targeting options, ad structure, setting up your ads step by step, Facebook ads compliance discussion, the roadmap of easy Facebook ads tested with over 30 million in advertising. So Ron obviously runs you through with that. Yeah. 3 secrets to profitable Facebook ads coaching call. So then there's perfect performance reporting and scaling. So that's module 3. Module 4 is module 4 is, I'll just pull that down. Just bear with me a moment. You just bear with me a moment, because my computer is faulty, so I have a problem with this. But anyway, we'll work it out. Module 4, free traffic from content marketing is the first video. Free traffic from Quora. No, there's the next video. Quora ads, and get additional Quora tutorials. Insider secrets to buying solo ads. How to make solo ads profitable. Getting traffic with YouTube ads. 7 fast and formidable free traffic strategies. Additional traffic sources. That's from module 4. Okay, and and we'll go up to the beginning again, and we'll get module 5. We've already run through the tools, so we don't have to do that again. And then there's module 5, advanced affiliate marketing. That's the first video there. additional money-making opportunities, additional money-making opportunities too, important, the mindset and math of lead generation. So that's the videos for module 5. And we go to the webinar directory next, so because you do get some director, yeah, you do. Let me go, just bear with me for the moment. Here we go. Here we go. Here we are in the webinar directory, or Webclass directory, sorry. And these are the classes that are with us. Just bear with me. I'm having trouble with this because of my computer has got a bit of a fault. Yeah. So go right to the top. There we are, webinar directory, and I'll just pull them down as I go. So there we go. We've got Freelancing Genius. This one's very good. This one here. I'm going to join this one. You know, and I'm going to, what I'm going to do with that is get tied up with another business that I'm going to join as well. So free Google Ads with YouTube. Yeah. Super Site Formula, Amazon FBA, Publishing Secrets, the one post a day, that's with Ron Douglas, crypto swaps, CPA marketing, yeah, I have that one. Yeah, so we'll carry on down. Let's have a look here. Things are not. Yeah, one post a day. Crypto swaps, CPA affiliate marketing, Amazon children book, publishing formula, passive income with low content products, outsourcing secrets class, which is that's about outsourcing. This is about low content like journals and stuff like that. Time banks, GPS, guaranteed business growth, pro networking system, Pinterest marketing secrets, Facebook Live Authority, the content recycling method, automated profit partners program, and that's the one I'm going through right now. And see, with all these, you get your affiliate links, your sample emails, the recording, and details. And this is what you get when you join this program. It's pretty astounding, really, what you get, you know. Yeah. And this is the full program. I'll show you a page. Just bear with me. You can log into, actually I do better than that. This is the page you get. So you go from here, from this webinar directory, right? I'm just going to try and get it up again. Let me see. Yeah, it's playing up with me now. I'm not getting anywhere here. Now, expert Paul Clifford. Now, yeah, all I got to do here when I come into this webinar masterclass directory, right? I just click on the affiliate link, right? Just do that, and then it takes me to Thrivecart. See, and all I have to do is just click on products right here. You see, so and then I can just click on one of these, and I get my links. I can show you a link page right here. There's the link page right here. So you get, this is how the links that you get. Not in every page. It's not. This is the apps program, the links that you get with the apps program. So you know when you join it, I'm a part of that. So and that's about all that there is to this. There's not much, you know. Well, there is a lot to it to learn, but you take your time, so you don't rush anything. and you'll get to where you want to be. And you just do what Ron, go through the web, you go through the web class, and you'll find out what you need to do. All right, and that is the yeah. And I will say, well, thank you for watching this, and get you a copy of the apps program, automated partner program from Ron Douglas today. Okay, and if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye for now.